In this WPAiGPT review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to put ChatGPT right on your WordPress website so you can create content right inside your site and publish it instantly for more traffic and sales. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out WPAiGPT, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting through when you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, attention all WordPress website owners, bloggers, and marketers. ChatGPT for WordPress is finally here. Create unlimited blog posts, articles, and SEO content in just one click without any manual work or effort. So it's a one-click WordPress plugin. You can create unlimited content for any site, rank in Google, YouTube, or I mean, maybe not YouTube, but Yahoo, Bing, and YouTube. So they say YouTube, here's the thing. You can actually create scripts as well. Newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills needed. Every WordPress site on the planet needs this. So the cool thing about this is you can actually install ChatGPT right on your website. You don't have to worry about having to go over to there and creating the content, copy and pasting and bringing it back over. You can have someone that's like logging in. If you've got someone working for you, they can just go into your site and actually publish that content for you. And this is much better than going out there and actually hiring people to do this or writing the content yourself. And this content can actually rank in Google. I've seen it over and over again for anyone that said, oh, this content can't rank. It can. People are already doing it. So if you've been wanting to tap into the power of AI and ChatGPT and put the content on your WordPress site, then this could be something that is good for you. Step one, you just download the WordPress plugin, upload it on your site, and then you enter the topic and you click on generate content and it actually creates that content for you. I'm going to show you a full demo of that in just a second here. But yeah, it's that simple. Again, it's not like something that's super, super complicated. They've got a bunch of extra bonuses for you here. There are a couple different licenses on the front end. There's a single site license and there is an unlimited site license. It's only like a little bit more if to get the multiple site license. So it's up to you on how you want to do that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick demo. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs.
ChatGPT has taken the world by a storm. It's everywhere. That's all you can actually hear these days. And we wanted you to be able to actually take advantage of this ChatGPT software and create amazing content really, really easily. That's why we created the WPAiGPT software. It's an amazing WordPress plugin which actually connects and sits directly inside your WordPress site and creates content right inside your WordPress site for you. Let me quickly show you what I mean by this. Once you install the AiGPT software, you see that this box pops up over here and you can actually write your prompt right here. You can just say, write a blog post about the top 10 places to see in Dubai. That's it. Click on one button and it basically goes and talks to ChatGPT, gets the ideas and the article content from there and puts it right inside your WordPress site. There it is. And you can do this in just a few seconds. Did you see how fast that was? You got a complete blog post that you can actually write and publish right inside your WordPress site without ever having to leave WordPress or without having to go and talk to ChatGPT and get down that rabbit hole, asking questions and going forward with that, right? So now you can just create content inside WordPress with WPAiGPT, and not just article content. You can also create different kinds of content. You can actually create blog posts, write video scripts, create content headlines, email marketing. You can write emails. You can write Facebook and Google ads. You can create SEO content. You can write podcast questions and notes for your content. You can write press releases. You can write social media content. You can write tweets and tweet threads. You can write sales copy for your sales pages. You can write product descriptions for Amazon, and you can create content for getting more backlinks and video scripts to actually get more subscribers and views on your YouTube. All this can be done with just one plugin that sits right inside your WordPress site, and that is WPAiGPT. So if you want to create content fast, simple, and easily without leaving your WordPress site, you can actually download WPAiGPT from this page today and get access for the unlimited sites license at a one-time price. Take action now and get AIGPT today. Thank you. Let me quickly show you what I mean by this. Once you install the AIGPT software, you see that this box pops up over here, and you can actually write your prompt right here. You can just say, write a blog post about the top 10 places to see in Dubai. That's it. Click on one button and it basically goes and talks to ChatGPT, gets the ideas and the article content from there and puts it right inside your WordPress site. There it is. And you can do this in just a few seconds. Did you see how fast that was? You got a complete blog post that you can actually write and publish right inside your WordPress site without ever having to leave WordPress.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the back end area of the software here. We can actually go in there and you can download your plugin. It shows you exactly how to activate it, how to get it all up and running. He's got a video showing you exactly how to do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory on how this all works. Now they do have multiple upgrades. The first one is going to be a pro version of this. This is going to give you some extra features here. It's going to give you the ability to choose between ChatGPT 3, Turbo, or ChatGPT 4. So just multiple places to be able to create your content and create better content, more in-depth articles, control the reality and creativity of your content. So you can actually give it more prompts, create longer articles, 2,000 to 2,500 word articles in one click, control the randomness, make it more unique, have more topics and perspectives. So it just makes it, gives it more features to it. So again, there's going to be a couple options here. You can choose a 50 site pro upgrade or an unlimited one for this one. It's up to you. The next one here is the developer license. You can actually sell this as a service and install it on people's websites and actually sell those websites. So this is the developer license. Again, they've got a couple options here, but most people get this one as it gives you the unlimited. The next one here is a rewriter software that will actually make your content even more original. So if you want to make it so that it's less AI written, you want to make it a little bit more human content-ish, so you want to go ahead and use a software like this if you're worried about Google detecting it as AI in the future. Next one here are 2,000 ChatGPT prompts. So this will actually give you, ChatGPT will give you amazing stuff, but if you don't know exactly what to give it, then it's hard to actually use it. Like you need to ask it for exactly the right thing. So this will give you those prompts. There's a couple options here for that. And then they've got another one here for boosting your sites. So if you want a simple site booster to give you more rankings, then this one is for you. Again, there's a couple options here. And the last one is reseller rights. You can actually resell this and keep 100% of the profits. That's an optional upgrade as well. All these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about WPAiGPT and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, there's a limitation in the fact that this is a WordPress plugin. So if you do not have a WordPress website, you won't be able to use this. You need to have this on a WordPress site. What do I like about this? I think this is a really convenient idea. I think anyone that has a WordPress website and is also interested in creating unlimited content using the power of ChatGPT, and you want it to be convenient so that you can just use the software, create the content, put it in your post and start publishing and getting free traffic from Google, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my WPAiGPT review. If you want to take a look at this, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.